Some FM area diversion work is wrapping up for the season, while other work toward permanent flood protection continues. I'm Tom Fuchs, Senior Construction Manager with the Metro Flood Diversion Authority, with this month's construction update. At the 22-mile-long southern embankment, U.S. Army Corps of Engineers contractors have been pushing to complete and open what they can before the weather shifts colder and snowier. Excavation and embankment construction continued at all unfinished segments of the levee. At Reach SE4, near Comstock, Minnesota, work is approaching 160th Avenue South, or Clay County Road 2. A mile north at 150th Avenue South, the road is temporarily closed for constructing the embankment and ditch crossings, as well as the future roadway, which will pass up and over the southern embankment there. Farther north, several roadway crossings and realignments are already complete and have reopened to traffic, including 140th Avenue, 130th Avenue, and 3rd Street. Work on this reach started in late 2024 and is roughly one quarter done. At Reach SE3, utility relocation work has continued just west of County Road 81. Water and sewer utilities are now complete, and crews have installed a series of conduits to facilitate the remaining dry utility relocations. The project is coordinating with affected electrical and communications service providers to install, splice, and terminate the remaining cables and conductors, clearing the way to construct the southern embankment crossing at County Road 81 next year. More than 250,000 cubic yards of embankment has been moved across the reach, which spans west to I-29. Crews have also installed and are backfilling a precast concrete box culvert where a future maintenance road will cross Drain 51. At Reach SE1B, which is more than half done, the contractor completed the excavation and embankment work upstream of the diversion inlet structure and established the permanent connection to Reach SE2A. Earthwork continued south and west of the diversion inlet structure as well. Portions of the levee embankment and all permanent roadway alignments have been completed. Crews installed aggregate base and completed asphalt paving this month, allowing the intersection of County Roads 16 and 17 to reopen to traffic in the east, west, and southbound directions. The P3 developer's work connects to the federal work at this point, the combined crossing for County Roads 16 and 17. With the new bridge structure complete, ASN Constructors is building roadway approaches, installing aggregate base, and completing portions of asphalt paving as well. As the weather turns colder, portions of asphalt paving may remain to be completed in 2026, but the roadway is anticipated to open to traffic over the winter with temporary gravel surfacing if needed. Nearby, in Channel Reach 14, main channel excavation is nearing completion just downstream of the diversion inlet structure. Excavation in this area establishes a permanent connection between the upstream-most end of the stormwater diversion channel and the downstream end of the diversion inlet structure. More of the 19 road and railroad crossings are opening to traffic as well. With trains shifted to the permanent alignment at the BNSF Hillsboro crossing last month, the shoe-fly track is now removed, making way for remaining earthwork and paving at the County Road 81 crossing. That's yet another bridge anticipated to open to traffic in the coming weeks. Nearby, crews completed asphalt shoulder paving this month along the southbound driving lane of I-29, which will soon open to traffic as well. At the BNSF Prosper crossing, crews have completed track and ballast installation and opened the bridge to train traffic on November 12th. Significant work is also taking place at the Maple River Aqueduct. Crews are installing heating elements and cover plating for the aqueduct's low-flow channel heating system. The heating elements will be connected to and powered from controlled cabinets along the walkway atop the flume's south wall. Assembly of the aqueduct's vertical lift gate is underway as well. Individual sections of the gate are now being installed and welded inside a temporary shelter at the west end of the flume. At the Spillway, ASN Constructors continues forming and placing the concrete-faced sheet pile walls, and concrete work has now commenced on the Spillway's base section as well. Excavation of the downstream engineered channel is also nearing completion. A series of boulders or roughness elements are being placed to attenuate river flows and promote fish passage prior to the permanent diversion of the Maple River through the aqueduct flume and engineered channels, a highlight we will be sure to cover in the near future. To see more construction work and meet the people behind it, subscribe to the Diversion Current.